This is a super quick tutorial on how to update a full size or a lite from bootloader if you're stuck in bootloader. So all you're going to do is press this button in on the radio and plug it in by USB. This is going to be kind of hard with one hand, but let's see if we can do it. I did it. Alright. Then when it plugs in, pops up as a TBS bootloader. You hit manage, you hit firmware, you hit update, and then you update. And be patient. There it goes. You let it update the subsystems. It has to verify and complete. A lot of people are unplugging when it gets to 100% before it goes through all of the steps, and that's what's causing your issue 99% of the time. So now we're complete. If we go out here, it is now a TBS crossfire. You can go to the firmware and you can see all your stuff. And if you go over here, you're all good to go.